Welcome students. In today's experiment we are going to find out the heat transfer coefficient in case of forced convection mode. So this is the apparatus which we are going to use in this practical. Apparatus consists of a blower unit which is fitted with a test pipe. So here you can see this test pipe and the test section is surrounded by nichrome heater. So this test pipe is surrounded by this nichrome heater in which 4 thermocouples are embedded on the test section. Also 2 another thermocouples are provided for measurement of the temperature of inlet and the exit air. So this is the airstream entrance and this is the airstream exit where we have embedded 2 thermocouples. Test pipe is connected to the delivery side of the blower along with the orifice so that the flow of the air through the pipe can be measured. Input to the heater is given through the thermostat and it is measured with the help of voltmeter and ammeter. Also a temperature indicator is provided to measure the temperature of pipe walls in test sections with the help of thermocouples. This knob is provided so that we can read the temperature of various thermocouples one by one. Airflow is measured with the help of orifice meter and water manometer fitted on the board. So these are the specifications. Pipe diameter is 28 mm, length is 40 cm, thermocouples are 6, out of which 4 are on the test section and 2 are at the inlet and exit of the air. To perform the practical, switch on the power supply and start the blower using this button. Adjust the flow of air by means of this gap to some desired distance. Using temperature indicator in the apparatus. Also note down the readings of manometer heights and then proceed with the calculations. So for calculations, it is to be noted that only a part of the total heat supply is utilized in heating the air. Therefore, in this case, the heat taken away by the air can be calculated using the formula mCp delta T, where delta T is the temperature difference between the inlet and the exit air. So by equating this formula to the HATS minus TA, we can find out the value of H, which is heat transfer coefficient in case of forced convection.